Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. First of all, wish you all a very happy new year, and an apology is asked to all as I'm publishing this video after a long gap as I was busy with my some activities. Okay, so today I have brought a very small topic which is like how to call a class or how to call a function from another Python file in your scripts. So I have made a small class, I have made a small Python script with a class. So if you see that I have defined the class maths, where I have defined the functions, define add is self variables, return n1 plus n2, whereas the same I have defined for another function called sub, where I have assigned the same variables and I will be returning n1 minus n2. Then similarly I have defined another function called def display. After this is called, then finally the task is completed. So this is Python file where I have class as well as function. Now let us see how we can call this class and use how we can call the class and print the objects from there, and how to call the functions. Now if you see here, the other file I have here is like what I'm gonna do is like I'll be importing this particular module. What is the file name is like module.py. So first of all I will be doing is like I'll be importing this module file. So first of all, basically requirement is like you need to keep both the files in the same location. If both the files in the same location, just you can directly go with import module, as well as you can also import from module import maths. So I'll be importing this method class maths. So I'm importing this class here directly. So first of all I'm doing is like I'm creating this object equal to maths. I'm calling the class here. Then next is like I'll be just calling the object and printing it. Print object dot add. I'm this n1 plus n2, right? n1 and n2 are variables, so n1 comma n2. So it is going to do an add. Then print object sub. I'm calling this sub function, and 8 comma 2. That is not but n1 minus n2. Then finally what I'm going to do is like I will be, since I have imported this module called module, so I'll be directly doing is like module to display. Once these two activities are done, these two print statements are done, so finally I will be calling this function. So it should display the task is completed. So let me run this script. If you see here, 3 plus 5 is 8, and 3 plus 5 is 8, and 8 minus 2 is 6, and finally I am calling the task is completed. So hope you got the idea of how to call a class and the functions within the class, as well as how to call normal functions from another Python file in your Python script. If you have any doubts, please do leave a comment. I will try to respond to it. And if you have liked the video, please press like button, and for more videos please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.